Hello friends, I am Pratibha. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. So today I'd like to share a very simple question which was asked in JEE Main in 2026. Find the sum of 1 cube over 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube over 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube over 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 8 terms. The options are 70, 71, 72 and 74. So this particular question is also up to nth term, is in class 11 CBSE book. So it's not that difficult. We can solve it. So first I'm writing the nth term. So nth term will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube over sum of 1 plus 3 plus 5, and here the nth term will be 2n minus 1. So there are two series, one series in the numerator, that is sum of 1 cube, 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. We know the summation formula. This is n square, n plus 1 whole square by 4. Similarly, the new denominator 1 plus 3 plus 5, this is a AP series. Here the sum will be your n by 2 into first term plus last term, then it will be n square. So if we will simplify the nth term, it will be n square into n plus 1 whole square, which is the numerator, and denominator is your n square. So n square is cancelled, then this will be n plus 1 whole square over 4. Or this is same as n square plus twice n plus 1 by 4. Now after getting the nth term, let us go for the sum. So Sn will be 1 by 4 summation n square plus twice summation n plus your summation 1. N is 1 to n. And we know the summation of n square. It will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. And second term is n into n plus 1 by 2. And there was a 2 in the numerator and 2 denominator. This will be cancelled. Plus this is n. Since it is a JEE question, so no need of getting all the things here in term of n. I'll directly go sum of 8 terms. I'll write S8 in place of n. I'll put 8. So 1 by 4, very quickly, n equals to 8. Multiplies 8 plus 1, that will be 9. 2, 8, 16 plus 1, 17 by 6. Plus here 8 into 9. Plus n is 8. So again on simplifying, I'll get 2, 4 times 2, 3, 3, 3, 9, 4, 12 into 17, it will be 204 plus 72 plus 8. So 284. So 284 divided by 4. So the answer is 71. So let us see the answer. Answer is, second one is 72. So answer is 2. 2 is 71 is answer. Thank you for watching. So please keep on watching.